Alright, welcome to the Florida Home and Outdoors channel. Today, me and my buddy Dean, we're going to show you a little bit about some of these cutting tools. The name of this video is Bowsaw Challenge. Now, a lot of homeowners, they got the little snippies. I'm going to have Dean go through all this mess with you, and he'll show you some of the good points and some of the bad points of all of them. So in a little bit, we're going to get set up, and we're going to show you the difference between a $15 Bowsaw and a $100 Sawzall.
I'm going to put my glasses on so I look smarter. This is a trivia question. You've got 3 answers, A, B, and 3. This is debatable, but when was the first gas-powered chainsaw invented? Was it A, 1812, B, 1830, or 3, 1924?
3. I think it was 3. I think I had that model.
We will tell you the answer at the end of this episode. On today's how-to, the average homeowner has this. It takes a genius to figure out how to open them up and use them, and they don't cut anything. You can cut a rose bush, and you can maybe trim your dog's fingernails. No good. Then you've got the snips that bend, and as you can see, these ones have been repaired with automotive devices. They work on little things, rose bushes, dog toenails, no good. Then you've got my favorite, the Sawzall, the man's tool. Up against any tool you want to put it up against, it will beat it every time. But if you're broke, you don't have power to charge the batteries or even afford a Sawzall, you can go to any hardware dollar store, buy a Bowsaw. They call it a Bowsaw because it's shaped like a bow and arrow. A buddy of mine swears this is the best tool. It would cut better than anything in the batch of tools we have. We will see you later on in this video. And of course, you have the man's tool, the chainsaw. Which, when you have a chainsaw, you have to have tools. Now, the average homeowner doesn't have tools or chainsaw. They've got the little clippy-do things. So, we'll see later on which is best. Big money tool, broke man tool. The debatable question was B, 1830. You can do the Google.
Alright, so here we got a Bowsaw.
Sawzall.
And we'll just
bucks.
See.
15.
We're going to cut Brazilian pepper trees today.
Which are beautiful, beautiful trees that are indigenous to Florida, but everybody's dying to have pepper trees on their property, and we hate to kill these beautiful works of art.
If you ever see a pepper tree alongside the road, get your Bowsaw out and cut it down.
Now, here's the challenge. John Boy says that a Bowsaw is quicker than a Sawzall. He has to do it manually. I do mine electrically with 20 volts of DeWalt power. Now, I believe that I can get through there and have enough time to go get a sip of beer by the time he gets through his. So, we're going to go ahead and get this started. And,
you done, John?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
You ready?
You want to start it?
Cut. I'm going to get that beer. On, Jimmy, you can do it. I'm feeling it.
I needed a new blade.
That is a new blade.
Congratulations, John Boy.
Just in case you want to walk around with a Sawzall through your yard, try to cut trees with it. That saw is coming in at 5.5 pounds, so up 6 pounds. You get that $15 Bowsaw, that's going to run you £1. So you decide.